Do we show position or place in English? If we say the book is stable, does it sound correct? But when we say the book is on the table, now the sentence becomes complete. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our Parts of Speech series. Today we are learning lesson 6, preposition. Okay? Do you know prepositions connect places, people and things? They help us understand position, place and direction. Without prepositions, many English sentences sound incomplete. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show position, place, time or direction. Prepositions tell us where, when, direction. Now see this chart. On. Example is the book is on the table. So where is the book? It is on the table. On is what? Preposition. Next, in. The pen is in the bag. Where is the pen? The pen is in the bag. In is what? Preposition. Come to next. Under. The cat is under the chair. So, where is the cat? The cat is under the chair. Under is what? Preposition. Near. The school is near my house. Where is the school? It is near my house. So, near is what? Preposition. Okay? Behind. The boy is behind the door. Where is the boy? The boy is behind the door. Behind is what? Preposition. Okay? Here, the book is on the table. On shows position. Okay? Next, in. The pen is in the bag. In shows what? Place. Now come to next. Under. The cat is under the chair. But under shows what? Position. Okay. So next is what? Near. The school is near my house. Near is what? Near shows place. Behind. The boy is behind the door. Behind shows what? Position. Okay. Now where? The answer often contains a preposition. Can prepositions make sentences clearer and meaningful? Yes. Prepositions help us understand exact position and place. Okay. Now identify the prepositions. The ball is under the chair. Here, preposition is what? Under. The children are in the classroom. So you find out what is preposition? Preposition is what? In. Okay. The cat is on the wall. Find out? Yes. The preposition is on. Come to next. Rahul is near the market. So here preposition is near. Okay? Very good. Now your turn. Find the prepositions. Number 1, the bag is on the bed. Number 2, the dog is behind the gate. Number 3, the pencil is in the box. Write your answers in comments. Okay? Preposition. It shows position and place. Make sentences meaningful. Improve spoken English. Improve communication. Okay? English becomes easier with daily practice. Small learning every day creates big improvement. In the next lesson, we will learn another interesting part of speech. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Okay? Bye bye. Namaste.